And then this is a 50, right? So you can tell that the Nikon Zf is definitely a much bigger camera. And this is why my Olympus makes it to my everyday carry, because not only do I walk around with this guy and my telephoto lens, I also walk around with this lens. This is the 24, well, it's 12 millimeter, so it's a 24 millimeter equivalent, which means I've got a wide, enough of a wide angle prime and 1.8. And then this is the 25. So 25 times 2 is 50, 50 millimeter equivalent. And this is my everyday carry. So to put this in perspective, all of this, these 3 lenses with the camera, weighs significantly less than that Nikon Zf. That's insane. And when you're the type of person, you have a commute, you've got your camera in your bag, you've got your laptop in your bag, some other knickknacks, everyday carry, right? The weight becomes something to worry about.